Hello, my name is Tony. I'm in the Sterile Processing program here at Ames Education. My professor is Professor Shawcross. Right now, I work in the hospital in the transportation department. What I do is we transport patients to where they need to go for any testing, if they're being discharged from the hospital, or if they need guidance to, wherever they need to go in the hospital. The reason why I chose SPT is because I like the surgical side of the hospital. I chose SPT because I like being hands-on. Although we're not one-on-one with patient interaction, we still are important in the field. We make sure the instruments are clean, sterilized, and ready for use for the doctors. We're very important in making sure the patients are being safe and making sure that they're getting the proper instruments for the surgeries that the doctor needs to use to operate on the patient. One thing I really like about the program is it's very hands-on. The professors are very helpful. They want you to succeed and they help you after hours if needed. My classmates were very helpful with each other also because we want each other to succeed in the course. We want to make sure we're doing what we need to do to make sure we're being successful in the course. After being in the SPT program, I want to be in the ST program, which is surgical tech. The reason why I want to go into surgical tech is I want more hands-on experience with the patients and with the doctor. How SPT led me into being ST, the surgical tech program, is the instruments that are being used in the ST program. I want to be more hands-on, seeing real, alive experience from my own perspective.